Hi, folks. Welcome to 119. I know it's sort of the start of the semester still, so I wanted to make a quick video showing you around Canvas to make sure that you know where all the resources are. I know that can be scary in a fully online class. You might feel like you're super alone in your learning, but hopefully you're definitely not, okay? So let me go ahead and share my screen. I'm going to take a look at uh, our Canvas shell. All right. So when you log into your Canvas, if you do it on a computer, it should look something like this. Hope you appreciate all my pretty graphics. All right. But I think where you find most of the information is on the modules. Okay. So there's a few ways that you can do that. You can click on the left-hand column at modules, or if you want to jump right to Unit 1, you can click on Unit 1. Okay, so either way is fine, but these are buttons. So in case you haven't tried it yet, let me go ahead and click on that one. And it takes me right to Unit 1, Descriptive Statistics. Okay, so for every unit, here's what I'm going to be giving out. All right, so you'll have the weeks, and under each week, it'll have all of the assignments that you have for that week. Okay, so I know that you can go, there's a to-do list that Canvas generates for you, but it might be nice just to have a list right in Canvas to help you keep track of that too. So all of the assignments will be arranged by week and by due date. All right, so you can see that you've got some due dates here, you've got some due dates here, and all the way through the end of week 4. Okay. Now, one thing, I'm not sure if people have clicked on this. I just want to make sure that you know where it is. If you go to, say, chapter 1, and you're like, I don't really want to read through the whole textbook, I find that really hard. If you click on the chapter 1 content learning resources, all right, I tell you what we should be able to do by the end of the chapter, but also I provided a bunch of links here. Okay, so the first one that goes right to your textbook, your OpenStax textbook. The second one, these lecture videos by Larry Green are sort of a very long video that covers the whole chapter. Okay, so if you want to go and get some detail, you can definitely go there. He'll talk about all of it. But I think for most of us, we like to think about some digestible chunks of information. And so what I've done is made a series of short videos where you can go and look at specific things. All right, so let's say that you're doing a homework assignment and you're not sure about the difference between simple random and systematic sampling methods. You could click on this video right here. I'm not going to click on it right now because it'll just start a different video. But if you click on that, it should take you to a video that I made that explains it and it goes through an example. Okay. Now, same thing if you're doing chapter 1 homework and you're like, I don't really understand how to analyze a frequency table. If you click on the Analyze Frequency Table one, it should give you an example where I'm talking you through that process, okay? I also review a little bit of the content that's in the text, so overall that might be helpful, all right? But if I go back out to modules and I go to chapter 2, Content Learning Resources, I just want to show you it's going to be the same sort of idea, okay? So we've got our chapter 2 textbook, chapter 2 lecture video by Larry Green, but then a whole bunch of videos. Most of these are by me, but some of these are by people that I just thought they had really great videos on the content. Okay, so all of these videos here to help you out. In case you didn't know, check them out. Let me know if they're helpful. And if there's a particular content that you want me to make a video for, just send me a message and we'll see if we can't get that taken care of. Okay. All right. Thanks so much for stopping by.